guys, welcome back to my channel. For this CMCO, I'm going to do a quick tutorial how to make homemade yogurt. Since I'm doing smoothies and I'm kind of running out of yogurt, so let's do homemade yogurt. Come, let's go. Here we have Dutch Lady full cream milk and a bowl of plain water. We are just going to use half quantity of this milk. Now we pour this half amount of this milk into this pot. Then we let it boil. While it's boiling, we have to keep stirring it. Let it boil till it comes like this, and then we use the plain water just to sprinkle on it. Once it's boiled fully, we can off the stove and let it cool down.
A few moments later.
Once it's cooled down, I'll transfer it into a container. I'm going to use this natural ready-made yogurt. Now we add in 2 spoons of yogurt into the milk. Adding in, we stir it and let it aside.
One eternity later.
Actually, you just leave it out for a day is enough. And now you can see it's all formed into a yogurt. If you want to make the yogurt some more bitterish, you leave it out aside for few more hours or one more day. Take note, if you leave this out for few more days, it will get spoiled. So that is how to do a homemade yogurt. Very easy and simple. If you like this video, do click the like button, and for more videos, please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.